Your pets deserve the best, and today we're looking at 20 gadgets designed to make their lives easier and more fun. These products are great for keeping your furry friends happy, healthy, and entertained. I've listed the best gadgets to suit different needs, whether it's for playtime, feeding, or just making your life as a pet parent a little simpler. You can find links to the best prices for all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Let's get started. Pet Libro Automatic Cat Feeder. Preserve meals for up to 3 days with advanced refrigeration technology that chills food to under 50 Fahrenheit within hours. Smart app control enables seamless feeding schedules, live monitoring, and easy adaptation with a Feed Now feature. Anti-pinch lid sensors and wide trays ensure safety and prevent whisker fatigue. Designed to cater to picky eaters, meals can return to room temperature for ultimate satisfaction. Aquapaw Dog Bath Brush. An all-in-one scrubber, bathing brush, massager, and shower tool, perfect for enhancing your pet's grooming routine. Made with premium silicone, it delivers a gentle but effective cleanse. Includes an 8-foot hose with adapters for indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for any setting. Thoughtfully designed to provide relaxation and functionality, it's a practical gift for pet lovers and their furry friends. Podoroma Cat Toys. Touch-activated motion sensors make this interactive fish toy wiggle realistically, engaging your cat in playful exercise. With a longer-lasting 350 mAh battery and upgraded durability, it keeps your feline entertained. Crafted from soft plush material and paired with silvervine catnip, it's ideal for stimulating lounging cats. Packaged elegantly, this is a delightful holiday gift for pets and cat owners alike. Tractive GPS Pet Tracker. Stay connected with real-time location updates every 2 to 3 seconds using nationwide GPS tracking. Set virtual fences to receive alerts when your pet leaves safe zones and review location history. Monitor health and activity via an easy-to-use app. Lightweight, waterproof, and featuring a long-lasting battery, it's rugged enough for all adventures while ensuring your pet's safety and fitness. Hygo LED Dog Collar. Ensure visibility up to 400 yards with a 360-degree glow from dual LED lights. Adjustable to fit any neck size, it offers different lighting modes and recharges via USB. Eco-friendly and water-resistant, this collar is ideal for rainy walks or nighttime adventures, providing unmatched safety and convenience for pets and owners alike. Uproot Clean Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. Simplify grooming with attachments for detangling, deshedding, trimming, and drying, while a powerful motor vacuums 99.9% of hair and debris. Silent Groom technology keeps noise at a low 52 decibel, ensuring comfort for pets. This ultra-efficient grooming tool includes a HEPA filtration system, delivering mess-free grooming and exceptional cleanliness. Coat Dog Car Seat. Crafted with breathable fabric and eco-friendly filling, it ensures safety and comfort during car rides. Adjustable safety belts secure pets, while a storage bag adds convenience. Suitable for small to medium pets under 40 pounds, this car seat doubles as a cozy dog bed for home or outdoor use, making travel stress-free and enjoyable. Bagler Dog Travel Bag. Made with durable, waterproof polyester and EPE foam, it resists wear and tear while keeping pet essentials organized. Features a large compartment, multifunctional pockets, and detachable dividers for easy storage. 2 food containers and silicone bowls offer hygienic feeding solutions, meeting airline standards for seamless travel with pets. iProven Dog and Cat Thermometer. Quickly measure your pet's temperature in just 20 seconds with this waterproof, flexible tip thermometer. Designed for comfort and accuracy, it features memory recall, a low battery alert, and auto shut-off. Easy to clean and store, this practical tool ensures reliable health checks for your furry companions. T-Ken Pro Pet Camera Treat Dispenser. Remotely interact with your pet using a 2K HD camera and a treat dispenser accessible via a phone app. Features 360-degree viewing, night vision, motion detection, and bark alerts to keep you informed. Two-way talk allows for real-time communication, reducing separation anxiety. Compatible with Alexa and dual-band Wi-Fi, it ensures your pet feels loved, even when you're away. Molly Paw's Pet Fur Glove. Designed with thicker silicone, this versatile glove offers dual functionality. One side effectively grooms and removes loose fur from pets, while the other tackles hair on furniture. Its 255 silicone tips ensure efficient shedding and a gentle massage for pets, promoting coat health and reducing shedding. The glove's unique design turns grooming into a soothing experience, making it a perfect choice for pets of all fur types. Great for daily use to enhance coat softness. Furhab Dog Poop Bag Holder. Made from premium 1680D nylon Oxford, this dispenser is sturdy and odor-resistant. The fun bone-shaped rubber opening allows easy bag access while securely holding the remaining ones. A durable metal carabiner clip attaches easily to leashes, belts, or keyrings. Combining practicality with style, this functional holder ensures hassle-free walks with your furry friend, keeping cleanup simple and convenient. Its robust design is perfect for pet parents on the go. Casti Dog Water Fountain. Featuring a 2-gallon capacity, this fountain meets the hydration needs of pets of all sizes while minimizing refills. Its BPA-free material ensures safety, and the ultra-quiet smart pump offers a peaceful environment. The triple filtration system includes activated charcoal for clean water and a pre-filter bag to catch debris. The wide drinking area encourages shared use among pets, promoting hydration and health. Easy to clean, this fountain simplifies pet care routines. ELS Pet Elevated Dog Bowls. With adjustable heights, this feeding station grows with pets from puppyhood to adulthood, reducing strain on necks and promoting healthy digestion. The anti-skid design ensures stability, while the slow feeder bowl prevents overeating. Crafted with durable, dishwasher-safe materials, it's easy to clean and built to last. Perfect for pets of all sizes, it offers a practical and comfortable dining experience for furry companions, making mealtime stress-free for both pet and owner. Mighty Paw Smart Dog Bell. Revolutionizing potty training, this wireless bell provides a fun and effective way for dogs to communicate their needs. Its sleek design eliminates barking and scratching, preserving your home while impressing guests. Easy to install and use, it's water-resistant for both indoor and outdoor applications. This training tool simplifies life for pet owners, enhancing communication and ensuring pets are well-trained for daily routines with ease and convenience. Air Robo Dog Grooming Vacuum. Equipped with 12,000 pascals suction, this grooming tool removes 99% of pet hair while keeping your home clean. Its quiet operation ensures a stress-free experience for pets, and 3 adjustable suction levels cater to different needs. The kit includes 6 guide combs for versatile grooming and a large dust cup for uninterrupted use. This all-in-one solution provides professional quality grooming at home, saving time and money while keeping pets comfortable and looking great. Aquapaw Premium Licking Mat. Designed for spreading treats, this mat soothes pets during grooming or playtime by releasing endorphins. It provides a long-lasting distraction, especially for larger dogs. Easy to attach to walls or floors, it's portable for use anywhere. Ideal for spreading peanut butter or yogurt, this mat keeps pets entertained and relaxed. Perfect for grooming sessions or as a thoughtful gift, it's a practical addition to any pet care routine. Yunto Pet Food Can Spoon. This durable can scoop features a square head for maximum capacity and efficient food removal. Its long handle ensures safety by keeping hands away from sharp edges. The set includes 3 spoons in vibrant colors, making it a practical tool for pet owners. Easy to use and clean, it simplifies mealtime for pets. Whether for cat or dog owners, this scoop ensures convenience and hygiene in daily feeding routines. Good Pet Stuff Hidden Litter Box. Disguised as a cheek planter, this enclosed litter box blends seamlessly with home decor while catering to pets of all sizes. Its odor control system includes a carbon-infused filter and natural moss for a fresh environment. The spacious interior ensures comfort, while its discreet design keeps litter contained for easy cleaning. A functional and aesthetic solution, this litter box adds sophistication to pet care while maintaining a clean and odor-free home. Malcypre Dog Water Bottle. This portable water dispenser features a built-in bowl for easy hydration during walks or trips. Its one-handed operation and leak-proof design make it a practical choice for pet owners on the go. Lightweight and available in multiple sizes, it suits dogs of all breeds. Perfect for hikes or road trips, this travel water bottle ensures pets stay refreshed and hydrated, providing convenience and peace of mind during outdoor adventures. That wraps up our list of the top 20 pet gadgets your furry friends will absolutely adore. From innovative toys to life-enhancing tech, these gadgets are sure to bring joy, comfort, and convenience to both you and your beloved pets. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices on all the products featured. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow pet lovers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Stay tuned for more exciting content, tips, and reviews designed to keep you and your furry companions happy and thriving.